In this video, I will show you how to rice pulling coin react with the wristwatch. This is a quartz wristwatch. This is included with the stopwatch. Look, the watch getting stuck. This is a wristwatch, quartz or a battery powered watch. This is a rice pulling coin. This is very rare Indian material. This is a very old and very expensive. In this video, I will show you how to react rice pulling coin with this watch. You carefully watch. You can see the watch totally getting stop. You can see, right? Yes, the second needle, the small one, red one, getting stuck. This is my experimental video. On coming videos you can watch more videos.